Welcome to Basic Maths Class 12, and this will discuss about quotient rule for differentiation. So for a function, let's say it is represented as y is equal to x plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. And our aim is to find out what about the value of dy by dx. So here it is like one function divided by another function. So I'll discuss how to differentiate this function by using a rule which is known as nothing but quotient rule. So first we can explain what is this quotient rule. If y is equal to u divided by v, where u and v are two functions, so this is something like one function divided by another function, then for the differentiation of y, just remember that differentiation of y is not differentiation of u divided by differentiation of v. We should go for a rule known as quotient rule. So we can write according to quotient rule, this differentiation of y is equal to nothing but denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator divided by the square of denominator. So this one is the way we'll find out the value of differentiation of y, or if it is in the form of one function divided by another function. Or if you'd like to find out the value of dy by dx, we can write this will be equal to v into du divided by dx minus u into dv divided by dx divided by v square. So just remember this equation for quotient rule, or whenever it is one function by another function, we should use this equation. I will discuss some example so that you will come to know that how we'll use this quotient rule of differentiation. Let's say y is equal to x plus 1 divided by x square minus 1, and our aim is to find out the value of dy by dx. So x plus 1 can be written as nothing but r u, and x square minus 1 can be written as nothing but v. So we can write according to our formula denominator, which we can take it as x square minus 1 into differentiation of numerator. Differentiation of x plus 1 is nothing but 1 minus, we can write its numerator, that is x plus 1, into differentiation of denominator. Differentiation of x square is 2x and 1 is 0. The whole divided by x square minus 1 the whole square, the square of denominator. So we can find out what about the final answer. We can just rearrange it. It is x square minus 1 minus of 2x square plus 2x divided by x square minus 1 the whole square. So we can write this is equal to x square minus 1 minus 2x square minus 2x the whole divided by x square minus 1 the whole square. So we can write this is equal to nothing but minus x square minus 2x minus 1 the whole divided by x square minus 1 the whole square. We'll take one more example. If it is given that y is equal to 6x square minus 2x, and our aim is to find out the value of dy by dx. So we can write by using that quotient rule. It is denominator. First we will write denominator, that is 2 minus x, into differentiation of numerator, that we can take it as 12x, minus numerator, that is 6x square, into differentiation of denominator. Differentiation of 2 is 0 and minus x is minus 1, divided by the value of square of denominator, that is 2 minus x the whole square. So we can rearrange. The value of dy by dx is equal to nothing but 24x minus 12x square plus 6x square the whole divided by 2 minus x the whole square. So we can write this will be equal to nothing but minus 6x square plus 24x the whole divided by 2 minus x the whole square. Let's say y is equal to 1 divided by 2x plus 3, and our aim is to find out the value of dy by dx. So here also we can go for that quotient rule, that is 2x plus 3 denominator into differentiation of numerator, which is 0, minus 1 into differentiation of denominator, which is 2, the whole divided by denominator, the square of denominator, which is equal to 2x plus 3 the whole square. So we can write this will be equal to nothing but minus 2 divided by 2x plus 3 the whole square. Take another example, which is y is equal to sin x divided by 1 plus sin x, and Rm is to find out the value of dy by dx. So we can write it as denominator, that is 1 plus sin x, into differentiation of numerator, which is nothing but cos x, differentiation of sin x, minus denominator, which is numerator, which is sin x, into differentiation of denominator, which we can take it as differentiation of 1 as 0 and differentiation of sin x is nothing but cos x. So we can write into cos x, the whole divided by 1 plus sin x, which is the denominator, the whole square. So we can write this as equal to nothing but cos x minus cos x plus sin x cos x minus sin x cos x, the whole divided by 1 plus sin x the whole square. So we can cancel this plus sin x cos x and minus sin x cos x. So the final answer for dy by dx will be equal to cos x divided by 1 plus sin x the whole square. We'll take another example. If y is equal to e raised to x divided by 1 plus sin x, Rm is to find out the value of dy by dx. So we can write it as denominator, that is 1 plus sin x, into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of 1 plus sin x is cos x. So we can write into cos x divided by 1 plus sin x, which is the denominator square. So you can write this will be equal to nothing but e raised to x. If you want, you can take this e raised to x common. It is 1 plus sin x minus cos x the whole divided by 1 plus sin x the whole square. We'll take one more example, which is y is equal to ln x by x, and Rm is to find out the value of dy by dx. So you can write by quotient rule denominator, which is x, into differentiation of numerator, differentiation of ln x is 1 by x, minus denominator, numerator, which is ln of x, into differentiation of denominator, which is 1, divided by the square of denominator, which we can take it as x square. So we can cancel this x and x, so it becomes 1 minus ln of x divided by x square. Hope so that you understood how to apply quotient rule. If you are having any doubts, or if you'd like to interact with me on online classes, or if you want to write online test for JEE Mains, Advanced as well as for Neet to improve your performance, please let me know. Thank you.